Introducing the Xiaomi Mix Flip, the highly anticipated flip folding smartphone from Chinese tech giant Xiaomi. Leaks suggest that this cutting-edge device may feature flagship-grade specifications, with the powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC at its core. The inclusion of satellite communication support adds a premium touch, aligning with the tech giant's commitment to top-tier features, as previously reported. Although Xiaomi is yet to release official details, renowned tipster Digital Chat Station has shared insights on the Mix Flip's design, highlighting the front and rear aspects along with camera specs as key features. Contrary to earlier rumors, the Mix Flip is now expected to boast the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, showcasing Xiaomi's dedication to providing top-notch performance. Unfortunately, finer details about the design and camera specifications remain undisclosed at this time. While the official release date remains uncertain, speculations suggest that the Mix Flip might debut alongside the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, rumored to be unveiled in China by the end of the next month, possibly signaling a February launch for the Mix Flip as well. Stay tuned for more updates on this exciting development in Xiaomi's smartphone lineup.